Hello, my name's Alistair from TrouDigital, and today I'm going to be showing you all the different ways you can show photos on your screens. Photos are a great way to make your designs more professional and make them even more engaging. The first way that you can show images on your screens is via the image widget. So this is one that you might have used before and it's very easy to use, but we're just going to go through it again. On the left hand side, once you're in the Creative Studio, you will see the image widget, which is the third one down and looks like a picture. You'll see it's got the image tooltip as well. To click, drag and drop that onto the canvas, resize it appropriately to meet your design requirements, and then all you need to do now is select an image to go into the image widget. So you'll notice on the right hand side here, now that we have the image widget selected, we have a few options that we already have uploaded. If you want to upload content from scratch, you can click the Upload Media Center, go to the Media Center, and then you can choose from stock images, which we've covered in another video, or you can go through Canva, or you can upload images from your own device. For now, we're just going to use this one here, Add to Creatives, and you can see now that this image is now part of our design, and we can use that going forward, and that is the image widget. The next way that you can get images on your screens is through the web image widget. Works exactly the same as the regular image widget, apart from this one is pulling through an image through a URL that's hosted publicly on the web. So firstly, just navigate to the web image widget, click, drag and drop it onto the design canvas, size it accordingly, and the first thing you notice is that it will say URL is empty. So all you need to do is find the URL, paste it in, click enter, and you can see it has pulled through an image from the web. This is one that's hosted for our website, so it's public on one of our blogs, so you can just get an idea of how it works. With the web image widget, you also have the option to pull an image directly through from Unsplash, so that's another option you've got as well, but that is the web image widget. The third way to show images on your screens is through the slideshow widget. So this one works a bit differently. It essentially creates a playlist within your screens and you can play different content and widgets in order inside one creative. So I'm going to show you how that looks, and we're going to cover slideshows in a later video in a bit more detail. So as always with the widgets, the first thing you need to do is navigate to it, drag and drop it onto the canvas. It's hidden by my recording icon here, but the slideshow widget, it looks like just two images, or an image and a slice of a movie all together. Click, drag and drop it onto the canvas, size it accordingly to meet your design requirements, and now all we need to do is add the content. So as I briefly mentioned, you can actually add widgets to the slideshow as well, but today we're just going to focus on images. But all you do is have the slideshow selected, navigate over to the right hand column into the widgets properties tab, and you'll see a camera icon. If you click that, it will load up your media center. Just choose some media that you want to upload into the slideshow. So let's do these four, for example. Click Add Creatives, and you can see that these images have been uploaded in the slideshow. And how this works is that when your creative is playing on the screen, it will play the first image for 10 seconds, then it will play the second image for 10 seconds, and so on and so forth. Very simple. You can change the duration if you want. So if you have a piece of content or an image that you want to show for a bit longer, you can do so. But again, we'll touch on slideshows in a later video. But that is the third way that you can show images on your screens with our platform. So the final way that I'm going to go through today that you can show images on your screens is actually as a direct creative or slide. So if you're in the Creatives tab and you click on Media Center and then you select a piece of content, it could be anything from here. Let's just go with this rose image. If you click Add to Creative, it actually adds the image as its own creative. Now you can't edit this, it's literally just the image. But if I click into it, you can see that's what will be playing on the screen. So you can add these as full images and even videos if you like. You can do this with videos as well. These will play as full screen creatives on your screens. There is one other option that we can show images on your screens, and that's through an FTP image. We're not going to go through this today, but essentially it allows you to pull through images from an FTP and show those on your screens, but we'll be going through that in a later video. But that's it. We've now gone through 4 of the main ways that you can show images on your screens through the TrouDigital platform. If you have any questions or need any help with this, get in contact with our support team at support@TrouDigital.com. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.